Hi friends, I have something important for you. If you're having any Python kind of error in your code or bug issues or any kind of error in your Python code, I'll help you fix it through fiverr.com. My link is at the description below. So it is just for $5 and it's under 24 hours. I'll perfectly and quickly fix the error you have in your script, any kind of error you have your script that you know that is so difficult for you to fix. So let's get started right away. Hi friends, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to properly pip install a library using Pycharm. So let's get started. Hi, please, if you are new to this channel, please don't forget to hit the like button and also please hit the subscribe button, and please do not forget to support me on PayPal. The link is at the description below. So let's get started. So now the first step is that maybe you have a library in mind you plan to install now that you want to use for your Python project or whatever. So now what you first do right over here now is that you come over to this down place right over here, which is terminal. Then under here you are going to write your whatever package you want to install. I'll just write pip install. I'm going to call app opener. Let's install it. As you can see now, we've already installed it, or we already have installed this app opener library before. But also, now I want to show you one thing which is very important. So now in order to check your libraries you've installed through this pip from the terminal using by writing pip install or whatever, you go to settings right over here. Come over to this come over to this project. The name of my own project is following YouTube tutorial. So I'll come over here, and right over here it shows all the packages you've installed right over here, and you can see the app opener is somewhere around here. Let me show you. um let me look for it here. App opener, see it right over here. So it's showing that we've already installed it, but there's one more thing you need to know. Yeah, the one more thing you need to know is that now, for example, now I want to show you something. Now let me open a new project now. Let me try and open a new project. Please pay closer attention to this because it's very important. You won't have all these kind of issues you'll be dealing with again and all those kind of stuff. So maybe now you want to create a new project different from the older project. Just go to create here. Let me put new window. So let's wait for it to create our new project now. So it's loading now. We have to wait for it to load. Now it has loaded. You just pay very close attention. Right over here, we don't have. I don't think we have the what they call it app opener right over here installed. Let's write pip install app o opener. Let's enter now. You see it's trying to connect to the internet and installing the pip to the opener. Do you know the reason why it says error could not find the version that appear whatever? Do you know the reason why? Because in this new project under here, right over here, let's come over to these settings here and go to our project name right over here, project. I will go to interpreter right over here. We don't have any packages that have been installed, but in our previous in our previous project we have all the libraries that we needed. We we have that app opener, we have different libraries, but it's not showing in this right. It's not showing right over here. So now here's what you need to do. So what you need to do here is that under this project, under here you come to over this Python interpreter here. We come over here and we import all the other modules from the previous project, which is right over here, to this new project right over here. So we click on the name of the project is YouTube tutorial. So right over here now, what I'm going to do now is see that showing all the libraries here, including that this thing. Let's check, including the app opener. Yes, see the app opener here. So now what you now do is that you just click on apply and you click on OK. Now all the libraries from the previous project is being imported right over to this new project you are trying to work on. So let's try and write pip install uh, app opener. We are not going to have any issues. It's still showing. But let's cancel it. Let's cancel it, of course. Let's just cancel it and just write from app opener. We've already installed it, so I don't think that we need to be trying to install it here. We've already installed it now right here because we already have it in our this thing, in our interpreter here. We have all of them, either key or whatever. We write from key. Just imagine in a new project we import all the libraries from the older project to this newer project. So that's all for about pip installing and importing libraries from one project to another. So that's all for this video. Thanks for watching and see you in my next video. Hi, please, if you are new to this channel, please don't forget to hit the like button and also hit the subscribe button, and please do not forget to support me on PayPal. The link is at the description below. So thanks for watching and see you in my next video.